gentlemen, members of the press. Our welcome address this morning is very simple. It's just to say you are welcome to the investigative hearing on the case bordering on a motion moved by an honorable member on cases of intimidation and harassment of citizens and residents of Bauchi State by the Bauchi State Police Command. Our own is constitutionally anchored on sections 88 and 89 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 and as amended. And you are all aware that Chapter 4 of the Constitution from sections 33 to sections 45 has to do with fundamental human rights of citizens of this country. And in a constitutional democracy, as in our own case, the Constitution must be obeyed to the letter, taking into consideration of the fact that the purpose of government is for the welfare and security of the citizens. It is on this note that we welcome you to this investigative hearing. Have no fear, tell us the truth as they are, and the House will get our recommendations after giving every person that is interested or affected in this matter a constitutional fair hearing as stipulated in section 36 of the Constitution. Thank you and God bless you.
Other stakeholders, notably the representative of the IG and all other stakeholders. Mr. Speaker would have been here by himself, but as you well know, today is a plenary day, and we are warming up to start the debate of the budget, and it's usually a very serious matter. So he asked that I should stand in for him, and so I am presenting his remarks. So this is the speech by the Speaker, House of Representatives, Right Honorable Yakubu Dogara, on the occasion of an investigative hearing on alleged cases of harassment, intimidation, and gross breach of constitutional rights of indigents and residents of Bauchi State by the Bauchi State Police Command. And as you are aware, this is holding in the conference room 028, House of Representatives wing today. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this investigative hearing. This hearing is predicated on the House resolution of Thursday, 1st December 2016, which mandated the ad hoc committee to investigate the alleged cases of harassment, intimidation, and gross breach of constitutional rights of indigents and residents of Bauchi State by the Bauchi State House of Assembly, HR 226/216. That is the reference of this resolution as contained in our journal. You know, investigative hearing of this nature is also a very serious matter, and it must have been journalized before you commence, because you never know where it will get to. The mover of the motion, Honorable Ahmed Yerima, alleged that the present police commissioner in Bauchi State, Ahmed Zaki, has been accused of being at the center of the current political controversy and crisis in the state, thereby taking side and harassing those he perceives as enemies of state. He further alleged that many law-abiding indigents of Bauchi State were arrested without charges and are languishing in police custody, including the alleged forced imprisonment of the former governor of the state, Malam Isayu Guda, by the Bauchi State Police Command, well, we don't need to bother about the date. The facts will come out eventually. These allegations are rather worrisome and threaten the general ideals on which democracy and representative governance lean on. The Nigeria Police Force is an establishment of the 1999 Constitution as amended under Section 214 and is primarily expected to act as an official representative of government required and trusted to work within the law. According to the Police Act, the fundamental duty of a police officer includes serving the community, safeguarding life and property, protecting the innocent, keeping the peace, and ensuring the right of all to liberty, equity, and justice, among others. The aforementioned allegation, therefore, run contrary to the basic functions of the police, and the committee is mandated to ascertain the truth or otherwise, and if so, ascertain the remote and immediate causes of the situation with a view to restoring normalcy to Bauchi State. I want to assure our invited guests and stakeholders that the committee will be fair, objective, and thorough in the discharge of its duties in order to justify the confidence reposed in it. I also urge interested parties, stakeholders, and the general public to make available useful information that will assist the committee to arrive at the expected destination. With these few remarks, I hereby have the honor to declare open this investigative hearing. God bless you and bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.